अस्सलाम वालेकुम आदाब गुड आफ्टरनून आज तुलो टॉपिक पोर्शन तुलो JKSSRB सह कंप्यूटर पोर्शन बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट कंप्यूटर पोर्शन से पई इंपॉर्टेंट प्रत कुछ मज प्रत JKSSRB कन पोस्टर मज तो यह पई कर अंडर द बैनर ऑफ JK स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपरेशन टुगेदर तो यह पुन प्लेटफॉर्म JK स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपरेशन टुगेदर मे वो तथी मे दोप बसा पढ़ना वो बाकी क्या गुत लड़कों को जोर सर बाकी पढ़न तो इसलिए पे मे पाने वो स्टेप तुलन मे दो बह स्टार्ट पे वो बाकी दिमो पे चांस तो फिलहाल वन बह कंप्यूटरस मुतलिक क्या बह इम्पार्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव योत कोशिश डिस्कस करने कोशिश कर वन लाइन मज वन अगर कुछ साल मल्टीपल्स मल्टीपल चॉइस बस अक आंसर योत वन बे वो गोथी कि यह मटेरियल पन क्या मे ओर ओनमुत तो बहुत मतलब तह वन मन मटेरियल पन क्या वो तह गोथी कुछ जाए ठीक थे गलत हाँ बहुत तुम सहूलियत खतर तह यह एक्सप्लेन कर what is any part of the computer that you can physically touch physically touch तथ हार्डवेयर सोदी सह वुचान पाई Which generation of computer is still under development? When मतलब under development अच्छी पाई ये fifth generation when यह चलान अमिश वन fifth generation under development. What is the most common storage device for personal computer? Personal computer में क्या PC शान तम खतर क्या ज़्यादा फाइन storage कथ मच थावन floppy disk में. Which key is used in combination with another key to perform specific task? यह थवन याद कंट्रोल की कंट्रोल प्लस क्या तथ बदल कह फंक्शन दिन सह सही फंक्शन दिन मिसाल कंट्रोल प्लस F कंट्रोल प्लस बे क्या P सह बदल कह फंक्शन दिन सह सही दिन क्या What is the pattern of printed lines on most products यानी कि तुम वुचान कि यम चीज तथ सह लाइन पे सह लाइन तथ बारकोड्स To make number pads act as directional arrows, we press which key? यानी कि अगर नंबर पैड नंबर लिखित अगर तुम एज एरो की करो यूज कर यूज बे शिफ्ट की विच डिवाइसेस क्या डिवाइस विच डिवाइसेस दैट लेट द कंप्यूटर कम्युनिकेट विद यू विच डिवाइस गोथी मे पढ़ क्या विच डिवाइस let the computer communicate with you यानी कि इनपुट सोदी कथा तुम योर दिवान और दिवान गो योर सह इनपुट तमी तौर दी सह आउटपुट what is the most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data ज्यादा फंड कम डेटा दिवान सोदी कथा हार्डवेयर सह योर दिवान कीबोर्ड बाकी सतन what is the place where the computer stores programs and data यानी कथ मज स्टोर डेटा यह पाई स्टोरेज यूनिट hard disk बाकी floppy what is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors हाँ तो पाई डिस्क कर डिवाइड ट्रैक्स A डिस्क B C डिस्क तथ वन फॉर्मेटिंग कंप्यूटर फॉर्मेट what is the space in your computer that loads and works with data यानी कि असली कत पे पुश कर डेटा पे वर्क या लोड कर रैम कर रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी वन what is the storage which stores or retains data after power off यानी कि तुम पाई ये जन पावर ऑफ अगर तुम लिखियो सह डिलीट ग अगर सेव आ कोर्मुत मगर नॉन वोलेटाइल क्या वोलेटाइल सह What will be the typical acronym for reusable optical storage यानी कि मे बे कर यूज तम खतर गो CD-ROM ROM What contains specific rules and words that express the logical steps of algorithms algorithm कथ मज syntax तथ वन What is the pictorial representation of a program or algorithm ये pictorial या algorithm बनाओ सह बनाओ flow chart से What is the smallest unit of information a computer can understand or process तुम पाई सह bit सारी लकुट यूनिट कंप्यूटर समझ तथ वन bit Which is a program that makes easy to use a computer मतलब सारी खुद इजी कथ बनान कंप्यूटर ये यूटिलिटी गुत फायदे हाँ What converts and executes one statement at a time? एक ही साथ हम करने गुतिल मतलब ताचे समय interpreted इस एक ही साथ कर गुतिल चीज़. What includes programmer instructions? इस programmer instructions ताचे समय software सुधी कहता है. Who designs, writes, tests and maintains computer programs? कुछ करने में design maintain ताचे समय operator. Who writes and tests computer program? यानी कुछ manifests. Who writes and manifests computer program? That's just one programmer. You see, man, बनावन चु. Don't go there. think machine पानी किया. मैं छोड़ कर meet download. What term used to define all input and output devices in computer system? कम से चेक करें input या output. That's just one hardware. What is a word in a web page that when clicked opens another document? अगर ऐसा जीर दिवो तो उसी बगल document लेना. तो इसमें पैसे के hyperlink ये सब blue colors पर चासन hyperlink. What refers to small signal side network? कच्छ LAN. अगर इस पान वही था local area network. एक इस कमरे में, एक इस building में. What does consist of one or more web pages located on a web server? तच्छ में website ये गुतिल pages ऐसे तर पर. हाँ. बेटी शी क्या था What does allow voice conversation to travel over internet? Internet as per kitchen voice audio gasan. Such gasan internet telephony sitan. Which software that allows users to surf the internet? They kitchen ju karna internet surf. Browsing karna browser. What does allow you to access objects and start? They kitchen ju karna start but so they karna start menu as per. Let's go there kasan. What contains commands that can be selected? Can switches command select menu sitan. What of the software contains list of commands and options? List of commands या options कट मच आसन. चाहे menu bar इसमें. ये कहते पांच उसी laptop में लिखी था सन चीज़ या PCS. Data that is copied from an application while it is stored is data stored करन copy ताकि ऐसे मतलब switch in the clipboard ये लेसे एक जगह पर copy paste switch करन. Which menu type is also called drop down menu? Drop down menu का मतलब pull down. What includes a file name and possibly a directory or the folder? File name या directory folder का मतलब file directory में. What is the name a user assigns to document call? एलेश कोई नाम चीज़ ना ताकि ऐसे कोई document ताकि file name उसके पुरमुत. What is the text that you want printed at the bottom of the page? अगर the bottom बॉन्ड का चला तो लिखिए ताकि footer header का header. What is a document means to make change to its existing content? अगर इस क्लास की कुछ ताकि लोग change ताकि मैं इसको दिखाए edit करूँ. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called by which name? तो भाई microprocessor brain of computer ब्याह ना होता है microchip थे. Which type of computer could be found in digital watch? Digital watch में तमाम मज़ कुछ computer के पर कुछ इसी का digital चीज़ है ताकि computer आसान. आत्मज कुछ आत्मज embedded computer. What takes on different shapes depending on the task you are performing? किम से चीज़ का मुख्तलिफ shape तो शे पाइस उनको mouse pointer चला mouse audio नज़नाऊं. Soft copy is intangible output. Soft copy is which is what tangible आसान. So much copy कागज़ आसान. So then what is hard copy? Hard copy अगर दिल्ला printed out इसे print करो. One puts information into computer by pressing which key? किम से चेक करें information तक मज़ computers मज़ enter सिखन. Letters, numbers, symbols found on the keyboard are called by which name? तो मतलब keys चला मतलब key. What is the data and instructions entered into the memory of computer? You say your input. What usually appears in the shape of an arrow? Usually shape of arrow शायद की shape शायद mouse pointer है. मेरे पास यहाँ इसने बाल के इन्फेंट होने में थे. What is the primary device that a computer uses to store information? Primary store चुता राजन primary. So क्या hard disk या hard drive. Which is users laser technology to store large amount of information CD-ROM. What part of the computer provides only temporary storage of file, which is RAM, random access memory, which is temporary. Which is removable magnetic device that holds information never check say floppy disk. What is the process of dividing disk into tracks and sectors? Divide formatting. What is the box that houses the most important parts of the computer system? System unit. The operating system called Unix is typically used for which computers? Web computer Unix. What is an error in a program which causes wrong result? Bug or result. What is a program that makes computer easier to use? Utility. What is the process of preparing a floppy diskette for use? Which part of the computer that one can touch and feel through hardware? What are the peripheral devices such as printers, monitors considered? So the monitor, printer, hardware touch. Which device that connects to a network without the use of cables? Wireless. Wireless. What is popular way to learn about computers without ever going to classroom? Computers go e-learning, electronic learning. Computers, mobile, e-learning. To view information, एक सेकंड पत्थर एक हाँ सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस एक्चुअली आज ये नीर थी तो दरवाज या नीर थी हाँ सॉरी फॉर disturbance. E-learning time padawas. To view information on the web, what must you have? So the web browser. Which devices are used for transmit data over the telecommunication lines? Agar telecommunication line per data audio modems. Which software program used to view web pages? Web pages and browsers. Which output is made up of pictures, sounds and videos? Multimedia. An email account includes a storage area which is often called mailbox. Should they cite something which has easily understood instructions what is said to be used. Analog data. What are the lists of commands that appear on the screen? Menus. This computer is screen. Windows 95, 98, Windows NT are known as what is operating system. What is the term used to describe the Windows that is currently being used as active window? Active window. For creating a document, you use which command at the file menu? New. What is to add or put in your computer, in your document, such as pictures or text is used? Insert. Which element is of a Word document can be displayed in color? Tamam elements, all elements, color. What is a collection of information saved in a unit? File. Information is unit. numbers and formula entered in a cell what is called yele formula tao numbers या formula tao is cell में तात क्या सुना है numeric entries. What is a collection of related information stored in delta with a unit acid unit schedule tachma file. A command that saves what you are working on in the hardware drive is save. Save. Which mouse technique is used for assess in properties of any object? Tachma right click से दूसरी side करना mouse पर click बाकी क्या विष्णु खोदना. और शायद काम हुई. Which powerful key that lets you exit program when push it came switches never near touch escape key so the kya now is pane haun which device you use such as keyboard or mouse to input information achwa input devices you see or demo MCQ or demo which device can understand difference between data and program data has to be program as kuch karan difference achwa microprocessor. What is the menu of data gathering in computer data menu they allow to use data storage data stored. What is the set of instructions which tells the computer what to do? Computer program program. The operating system is most common type of which software? Operating system chemical software system software. Which peripheral device displays information to user? So the SKM se check information go monitor se. Which manual tells you how to use software program? Ta kitne chala pata as kitne software use. That's one user. What is the most important or powerful computer in typically network? Yani ki sari for powerful koshis network server. What makes it possible for shoppers to make purchase using their computers? Yim don dukandar shikaran audio tachwa e-commerce. So the katha commerce go so the business. By which name also called web contains billions of documents. Shitha pai kasma www world wide web billions of documents. Generally you assess the recycle bin through an icon. What is located? Where is located there? No, it's not so dustbin is on desktop. What is blinking? What is a blinking indicator that shows where your next action will happen? Which type of file is created by word processing program? Word processing program is a document file. In a spreadsheet program, which contains related worksheets and documents such as workbook. Which application is commonly used to prepare presentation or slideshow? Each PowerPoint slideshows. In which group do we work at the time of text formatting in a word? Yashkan table not paragraph and not indexes. Which computer refers to fastest, biggest and most expensive computer? Supercomputer. Which device is used as a standard pointing device in graphic user environment? Mouse is use. Which key moves cursor one space to right or put a space in between words? Space bar sit up. The speakers attached to your computer used for which purpose? Speakers handling sound and music. What is the box that contains the central electronic components of computer system unit? What happens when the computer is turned on and operating system is loading? Booting. Booting. The process of writing. The process of writing out computer instruction is known as the name compiling. This process computer instruction. What is the ability of OS to run more than one application at a time? Multitasking. Operating system good multitasking. कम ज़्यादा ऐसे समझ होगा अगर ना 100% ऐसे होगा तो जाए 50-60% होगा तो समझ यूज़र इस कंप्यूटर टूल आज मगर मैं वो तो बोले थी पढ़ना ये ऑब्जेक्ट हुई हुआ क्या मिशन 30 नॉलेज के कि डिस्क्रिप्टिव पढ़ना ये सोधी क्या था तो मगर पढ़ना ऑब्जेक्टिव तो तिम लास्ट कंप्यूटर एग्जाम आमित बेस इथे कन वन लाइनर मल्टीपल अगर कुछ जाए तन वन बहुत थन तुम पी कत ब्रेनरस तहत कर यानी कि JK स्टूडेंट्स तुम हूँ पढ़न मे योत चेत कह तुम हूँ क्या JK स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपरेशन टुगेदर यह ब्रेनरस तहत कर यानी कि तुम अगर मटेरियल सूझू वीडियो सूझू तुम पढ़न तो तुम हूँ शुक्रिया मे उम्मीद कि तुम करो शेयर तुम करो कमेंट पन तो बे करो सब्सक्राइब चैनल शुक्रिया अस्सलाम वालेकुम आदाब।